who is telling you, Simon Ekpa, in fact, has blocked everybody. I was able to get him online the other day. He said that you're guilty. Nobody can talk to that young man apart from Nnamdi Kanu. Nnamdi Kanu has given me a series of messages to give him. He said that I'm joking. That all those things Nnamdi Kanu is saying, that Nnamdi Kanu is saying it with AK-47 on his head. All our efforts to convince him, to support him. In fact, when I even told him that guy, Nnamdi Kanu said that you should. Who is telling.
Hello, beautiful family. How are you all doing? Thank you for the love, the support. I just can't thank you enough. So, my beautiful people, today I have a quick one to share with you. Wonders they say shall never end. And this thing you are seeing here has been happening day to day and time to time. Every day you see is new story. You see the little update you just watched. You see something that really happened from there. This is one of the legal personnel to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. He represents Mazi Nnamdi Kanu as far as this case is concerned. Ipob really know him a lot and he is doing a lot for them. Right now, he's just had a confession where he said, this is an interview. He said that Simon Ekpa has blocked all of them, that they cannot even reach him. He don't pick their phone number, he don't talk to them, he don't communicate to them, he has disconnected himself from them. In fact, he said one of the day he tried to reach him, what happened? He did not pick, he did not mind him, he did not even notice if someone else is there or somebody is talking. This is a lawyer that is also annoyed. In fact, he's angry with this situation. I've seen time without number where a lot of people are saying some things about Simon Ekpa to say. But you all also know that one of the major reasons that these people need, they are saying Mazi Nnamdi Kanu should be released. You know, if Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is released, a lot of people believe that things are going to change for the better. Right now, this is a little write-up from the Biafra lawyer, barrister Aloy Ejimako, after visiting Mazi Nnamdi Kanu today, the 21st of December 2023. And this is his report. This is what he got to say. He said after visiting Mazi Nnamdi Kanu feels so disappointed with the Supreme Court judgment that he believed that the aspect of the judgment has opened a new legal window for the case or for his release. Just imagine the Biafran people hearing this type of word that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu said he is so disappointed. That means Mazi Nnamdi Kanu himself is also in deep pains. No, there's no two ways about it. There is no way you try to sugarcoat this thing. There is no way you want to paint it for it to look more beautiful, more real. That Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is in good condition, he's in good health, nothing is happening to him. Believe me, a lot of people will not take that for an answer. Now, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu said he's so disappointed. In this aspect, what did you expect his followers to do? This is the type of message that is going to instigate them. This is the type of message that is going to make them to wake up that, oh, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is really sad where he is. He's really disappointed. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is not happy with the court judgment. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is not happy with what is going on. And with this now, it will also make his people to put in another ginger, the swagger. It will make the people to say, of a truth, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is suffering. This is what they want to do. This is what they hope to do. This is what they want to connect. This is what they want to do. They want to shake everywhere. Because why? They want Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to be released. Now, if the people that are saying that they really need peace, they need unity, they need oneness in Nigeria, what are they supposed to do? I think that the release of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu should be the first priority. The release of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is going to settle a lot of disputes. That is what a lot of people has been saying. So before you will start shouting, oh, Simon Ekpa is this, Finland government should bring him, this is that, they are sponsoring him, there are a lot of people that are working under his control, there are a lot of people giving him guidance about leadership, People are training him, people are encouraging him, people are supporting him financially and otherwise. You should also remember that a lot of people also want Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to be released. And a lot of people really need that. If Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is released today, things are going to change for the better. Things are going to take a U-turn. So why is it that these people will not release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu for peace? Why is it that these people will not release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu for things to change? Why is it that these people will not release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu so that he will also enjoy the freedom that every other person have outside? Do you know that a lot of people were really hoping and thinking that the release of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu should be as a Christmas gift to them? They wish to see Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, and a lot of people are planning to go to southeastern part of Nigeria. But with what is happening, with the latest development, with everything that is taking place, a lot of people don't really want to go to southeastern part of Nigeria to celebrate Christmas because they are so scared, because they are thinking that if they go, a lot of people has taken advantage of the situation. A lot of people are making things difficult to their people, hence they choose to stay behind. And right now also the same Simon Ekpa people are saying Finland is giving stress, Finland is giving everything, Finland is encouraging, has also come out to tell the people that they should not go to southeastern part of Nigeria for Christmas, that they are looking for money, they will escort money from them, they will collect a lot of things from them and so many others. But the bottom line of everything is that you know that once you release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, a lot of things will be fall in place. I can still remember when Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is making some kind of statement when he was saying that this Biafra movement is like madness, that they have not seen madness, that they are going to see madness that is more than his own. I think Simon Ekpa is bringing out some of the madness that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu has talked about. Sorry to say, but that is just the basic truth. Right now, let us see some of the comments that people are making after this Biafra lawyer dropped the update about Simon Ekpa blocking them, about Simon Ekpa not want to communicate with them, and we will also know the thoughts of the people. You know the reason why you have Progress the Analyst. I am here to give you all the update back to back. I am here so that we will do it. I am here so that you get updated. And this is one of the reasons why you need to subscribe to this channel. Now, these are some of the comments from the people of Biafra. They said, when Mazi Nnamdi Kanu told the zoo that they have not seen madness, that madness is coming, they think it was a joke. Now, another person said, the hate zoo yet to come, and you people have started sharing tears. Madness is loading. Another person said, I love what this lawyer said. We need people like him that we hide the temple. Let the zoo know that we know they hear word. And another person said, all this noise means nothing. Another one said, they have not seen anything yet. Another one said, we can never listen to any of them. Let them continue to look for. They will buy with the snapper. Another one said, everybody is talking about the idiot for his lies, and cooperations with the zoo government, with its security agent to render South is miserable. The zoo don't even know, even see nightmare in Simon. The see peace of mind with their criminal. This man is the only Mazi Nnamdi Kanu lawyer who is genuine. Others have compromised, especially Ifeanyi Ejiofor. Another one says, so do you expect Simon Ekpa to listen to you and your colleague? What stopped Nigeria government allowing Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to go since UN and different Nigeria court has ordered for his immediate release and unconditional release? These are the statements from the people of Biafra, lovers of freedom, and a lot of people that are following up this case. I just let me give you the thought of people. Right now, I want you to share this video, and I want you to subscribe to Progress the Analyst, because I'm here to give you all the updates. As I said before, a lot of people need the release of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. You just need to stay close to this channel, because here you will get the updates back to back. Thank you so much, and bye-bye.